This heartwarming moment was caught on camera of this fireman saving the baby kitten. When the house caught on fire, the baby kitten had no way to escape. Luckily, this fireman saw the baby kitten laying on the floor and decided to help. The next clip, you're about to see the fireman giving the cat oxygen. Like and subscribe if you love animals. This is where he lays the baby kitten on the ground and takes his gloves off to get the oxygen tank out to get the baby kitten back to life. As you can see, when he pours the water on the kitten, it slowly starts to come back to life. I'm so thankful for this fireman that he was able to save the baby kitten. As you can see, he is already very alert. This is the baby kitten a few weeks later.